Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get Mossy Geode in Abyss. So if you're looking for the secret to getting massive stat boost, the Mossy Geodes are the key. So these ancient rocks aren't just for decorations in the game. So the Mossy Geode in the game is an underwater geode encrusted with moss-like growths, and it's holding a mysterious glow beneath the ocean depths. So once you crack it, you'll get some of these items right here, some of these artifacts that will be helpful for you in the game. So how you can get the Mossy Geode, I'm going to show you. So you just need to go into the water and catch some fish. So let's say I'm going to catch this clownfish, and if you see there is the treasure chest icon in the while you're trying to catch the fish. So let's try to catch another one and see. Okay, I still don't get it. I want to show you when I got the one with the treasure chest. Okay, this one's right here. As you guys can see, there will be this treasure chest. So what you need to do is just make sure that you hover long enough so that you can obtain the treasure chest. So once you do that, here you receive one Mossy Geode. So that's how you can get the Mossy Geode in Abyss. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe, and also click on thanks.